This is a guide on how to access the flashcards on the ICAN Online Tutors web application. First, you need to ensure that you are logged in, then go to your profile at the top right of your screen and click on Dashboard. You'll see My Courses, Announcements, My Order, and Profile. Click on My Courses and click on the course you intend to study at the time and click Start Now. At the right of your screen, you will see all contents, quizzes, and flashcards. Click on flashcards and you will see all the topics in the syllabus. When you choose a topic you want to study, the flashcards for each topic with explanations have been provided. Click the next option to proceed or previous to go back. Once you're done, you can click on complete and continue by proceeding to the next topic and repeating the same procedures.